Hi everyone, it's Haley with Travel the Flair. Today I am so excited to be showing you a mini suite on the Discovery Princess. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you need help planning your next vacation, whether it be a cruise, a gallivant to Europe, or an all-inclusive resort, or even Disney, let us know down below or by checking out our information down in the bio. Let's head into the room. Today we are checking out a spacious mini suite on the Discovery Princess. This is a newer ship. We just sailed the Baja California itinerary out of Los Angeles on this ship and had an amazing time. This cabin is very spacious. We had 3 people in here. The bed did fold out for my daughter to sleep on. It folded to a twin size bed. In the rooms that sleep 4, the bunk comes down from the top. You have a coffee table, desk area. What's nice is there are 2 TVs. So there were different nights she was watching TV. We were watching something different on our side of the room. Plenty of cabinets and storage on all sides of the bed. In the desk area, you have 3 drawers with a hair dryer. They're pretty spacious. We could fit a lot in here. These were deep drawers. This is actually where I stored most of our camera equipment. Highly functional storage in this room. They have these different outlets on the tops of the desks, so plenty of charging options. There is a mini fridge down here. Depending on your booking, you can get a fridge set up. Make sure you ask us how on your next booking if you need help. Then when you come out here, this is the closet area, and I think this is one area where Princess really excels. They're not fancy, but I like that they don't have the doors, so you're not trying to close and do those sliding doors. There's always a ton of hangers. This is where you'll find the laundry bags and the complimentary tote bag that you get to keep and use during your trip. This huge cabinet full of shelves and drawers with the safe. And then right next to it is the bathroom. One of the highlights to this bathroom is that it is a full tub and shower combo. This tub was a pretty good size. Us being plus size individuals, I had no problems fitting in this tub. It was very spacious, so even if you have people that have different accessibility issues, as long as they can do the step up, in this version, a regular mini suite would work as well. There are also accessible rooms on this ship, so if you need help booking those, just let us know. The hair products and stuff in here were actually really great. I forgot to pack shampoo and conditioner and use the 2-in-1, and surprisingly, my hair was so soft using a 2-in-1, and I hadn't used one in a while. Let's head out to the balcony. Princess balconies are a little shorter than some other lines like Royal Caribbean and Celebrity, but it was a very functional balcony. And a pro tip, if you are traveling with people and you have your rooms next door to each other, what you can do is ask your stateroom attendant to pop open this door. This is what it looks like. And when you have a mini suite, you are also given a welcome glass of champagne, which makes it oh so sweet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this tour. And if you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll see you on the next one.